Hi, thanks for coming back to My Little Crafty Secret. I apologize for my voice. I have been very sick the last couple weeks, but I did want to get on and just do a couple project shares with you. Actually, I got 3. I had a chance to get into a card kit that was released by Simon Says Stamp. It was a Full of Thanks card kit. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. This was a really nice one. I was really hoping that they would do a Thanksgiving themed card kit, and they did, and they really knocked it out of the park. You do get a lot of cool items, a lot of cool products, but I did want to share the stamp set before I go into the cards. But yeah, look at this. It's so pretty. Super nice images, very large images. And I love the different sentiments that they have, and then the different types of fonts with the one sentiment. This is a regular type, and then there's a script, and then there's also a script here. Really pretty. Happy Thanksgiving. I think this is probably my favorite one. I really like this one. This is really fun coloring. I like this one too, but this one's nice too. I know that they're all really great. I really love it. This was the card inspiration that they provided in the kit, and my kit is all torn to shreds because I was going in deep with it, just playing with it. I really have a lot of fun with this kit. One of my favorite kits. I can't tell you how much it really was. But yeah, this was part of the inspiration. And so what I did was I did get 3 cards out of this kit. I liked, again, this stamp set was really cool. I was able to ink blend the background and stamp something really nice in this. That's what I like about this, is that you're just able to stamp directly onto this and not have like another cutout stamp sentiment. This next one's really pretty. I love it. This embossing folder did not come in the kit, but it did come in the, I think it was a Halloween edition of Simon Says Stamp. They had a Halloween edition card kit, and all I did was just paint it. Super pretty. It was with a Posca pen with this one. I really like this one. And then my last one is probably my favorite one. I love fall. I love the colors, purple, reds, oranges, yellows, really pretty. And I was able to show that here. And I love how this is a nice image I could just lay on the bottom and have something really nice on the side here. Well, anyway, that is my project share. I hope this gave you some inspiration. And if you did like it, please check out my playlist. I will be linking in the description box below to how it's a playlist that has inspiration for other kits, not just Simon Says Stamp, but other kits that I've purchased in the past. Thanks. Until next time.